Hello everyone, it's Ultra Country Fan 2004 here. And today I'm going to do a re-review of EX Gomora. Well, before the main part in the video, I'm just going to say yes, I changed my name again. But this time it will be no more name changing. I will just have only name Ultra Country Fan 2004. Okay, so, and before the review begin, I'm going to tell you first why will I re-review EX Gomora. Well, the reason that is, in previous video, I wasn't really I doesn't really think I know everything about Gomora, EX Gomora. So now I'm going to re-review of it. So now let's go for a story about EX Gomora. The first time EX Gomora was first time appeared in an Ultraman video game called Ultraman Fighting Evolution 3. And yeah, EX Gomora appeared first time in that game. And not just EX Gomora. There was also EX Red King, EX Ella King, and 2 forms of EX Tyrant. That's cool. And in Ultra Galaxy, there was just one episode of Ultra Galaxy that EX Gomora appeared. And there was episode when Ray used his battle laser to, Gomora coming and to fight against with King Joe and Saturn. But there was a moment that Gomora actually became his EX form. And not just Gomora, but Ray also became something. And it's called Ray mod. It's actually himself inside of a arbor. And he kind of looks like Ultraman, but he's not an Ultraman at all. And he's not the same scale as Ultraman. He's same scale as a normal human. And in Ultra Galaxy Neo, I think it was the final episode when again EX Gomora is back with, and also EX Red King come to help, like team up. And Raymond actually didn't appear. This time it's just Ray as himself. And Red King and Gomora team up against to fight Armored Darkness. And that's all the story I know about EX Gomora. So now we are going to look at the detail. The detail on this figure are really good catching to Gomora. Like, look at the chest, there's a lot of spikes. All Gomora always have on his chest of every, his detail. And there is more spikes. And these spikes doesn't normal form of Gomora have. Like there. So yeah. And some bigger hands. and even way little bit way bigger than his normal form. And his head are really cool, close to EX Gomora. Just look at his head. Damn. They did a nice job, Bandai. But I like Bandai expect for when they made these sparkles. And now for the paint job. Most of paint job on this figure are actually spray painted, like hair, on arm, and legs, and also painted gold on his nails, and some of his spikes on his head. And also, I really like when they painted like this on Gomora's horn, just like Gomora's detail, you know. And there is gold spike came up there, and it's painted gold, white eye, and pink tongue. Really nice catch to EX Gomora. And now for decoration. Well, arms can move around, but you can see there's his legs are right here, but you can't do this because this figure are actually soft vinyl, and his legs of course moves around, and head moves very simple around, and his tail fortunately doesn't move. And now for the superpower of EX Gomora. Well, yeah, the first superpower he can is he uses his tail as a weapon. When he tried to fight Black King Joe, he used his tail to, cover his head and punch it with tail, and tail goes through of Black King Joe. Black King Joe is a robot. And also he can rule himself around to, he came to a spin ball and hit the enemy. And his final superpower is, I don't remember what it called again, but it goes to fire up on his horn and came here and he used the weapon to kill Satan and also Armored Darkness. And now for the skill comparison. Well, fortunately, I don't have a regular Gomora figure, original form or EX Red King. I have EX Red King, of course, but he's from my mom. But I can skill compare it with Ultraman, the original. Well, the skill between these figures are not really closer. But what I saw in the video game how when a gameplay of Ultraman Cosmos tried to fight EX Gomora. So EX Gomora was actually that bigger than Ultraman Cosmos. Wait just again. Sorry, I don't remember every skills, but I think was that. Yeah, I think was that. And that's all or Ultraman. And that's all for this review, and I hope you enjoy it. And see you in the next video. And the next review will be something else. And that's all. See ya.